What's good, everybody? Today we are in video 4 of the series of how to fix your 400 credit score. And again, this is for anybody, no matter where your score is. If it needs to be improved, this series can help you along the way. So you might be trying to get a house, a car, you might be trying to get funding for your business. So this is going to help you be able to achieve those things finally, no matter how many wrong steps or mistakes you've made along the way. So today we are supposed to be talking about the different options that you have that you can actually take advantage of to start building credit. In the last video, we were talking about how to start building credit before you get the account so that you know the best things to look for and what to do. So now we're going to talk about those accounts and what you need to, or what accounts you should try to go and get to start building credit. Now, also keep in mind, I'm going to be telling you about accounts that are not going to your bank. A lot of people like to go to their current bank, their current credit union, and try to go build credit there because that's where everybody tells you to go to start building credit. You don't really have to do that, and there are some options that are alternative to banks that actually give you better overall options to start building your credit. Now, the ones we're going to talk about today aren't the most perfect. You know, there are some that could be better that are out there. I'm just giving you some options so you can go ahead and get started with something right out the gate that I know are good, and it can actually help build you some credit. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started so we can get this information out there. And if you have been liking this series so far, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll be notified anytime I let out a new video just like this one. And stay tuned for the video where I'll drop a promo code for if you don't want to do this on your own and you want to get help in improving your credit. You can get a discount on my company services. So stick around. At some random time, I'll say the promo code in the video. So first and foremost, we're going to get started with this account that you can use to build credit. Now, this is an option that's going to show up like a credit card on your credit report to help you build credit. A lot of you guys might have heard of this company already. It's called Kickoff, and I've got a few others for you as well. But Kickoff is one that you can get started with pretty easily. They don't require a whole bunch of you, and the best part of it, besides the no credit check, as you can see here, no hidden fees, they basically give you a guaranteed $750 line of credit with this particular account that they have. Now, the way that it works is that you do have to make purchases from the Kickoff store that they have available to you, and that would be what you would use. And they do this so that you can pretty much only spend certain amounts of money so that you don't end up getting yourself in trouble by overspending. So options like that are really good for building credit, and then later on down the line you can end up getting options that are going to be more beneficial to you. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to link down in the description a video to these accounts I'm going to show you so that you can see how to best use them to get the most benefit and get more details than what I'm showing you now. And the second option I'm going to show you guys is called Ava. Ava is an option to build your credit that is also going to show up like a credit card. Again, credit cards help the most people with the most credit score improvement from what I've seen. So that's why I always recommend them to be a first option. And also, they give you at Ava a guaranteed $2,500 credit limit, which is pretty large because most of the time when you're trying to build credit, you're only going to get something for like $300, $500. So getting this option is going to be good. Now, the way that they work, they basically limit what you can use this for. Now, you can use this for more than just what Ava has to offer. You can use this for your subscriptions, basically. So if you have BT, if you have Disney Plus, if you have Amazon, if you have Hulu, they only let you use those subscriptions on this particular account. You can see you can use your Sirius XM, Xbox Live, Spotify, PlayStation, Amazon Music, Audible. So it's a bunch of different options that you can use. ABC Mouse if you have kids, Walmart subscription. So you just put your subscription on this card. This way you're keeping your utilization low, and you're not going to go in debt. You can also use certain bills that you have, like cell phones, as you can see here, cable. So it has a bunch of different options for you to use, and it can be really beneficial and useful to help you build up credit, getting high limits, which also plays out well for utilization, as well as getting higher limits on future accounts. All of that stuff can benefit you, and that's why this is a good option. Now, I also want to show you guys an actual loan that you can use to build credit with. Now, the one we're going to talk about today is Credit Strong. Again, I'm going to have videos for all of these different companies down in the description, and also, again, for you guys that wanted to actually get help with your credit, if you are interested in that and you don't want to do all of the work yourself, you can go down to the description, find the appointment link where you can set an appointment with us. You can enter the code FixMyScore400. Again, that's FixMyScore400, and you will get a discount on signing up as long as you get signed up within this month, because this is going to be the duration of time that I'm going to be running this promotion. So make sure that you jump on top of that. Now, Credit Strong has a bunch of different options and products. They have installment loans, and I believe they also have the revolving account, but we're talking about the loan right here. So this is something that affects 90% of your score, as you can see here. And with this, basically, it is not like a traditional loan where you get a bunch of money up front. This is one where you are putting money into a savings account, and then they report your payments as on-time payments like a loan, but you actually end up getting the money out at the end. That way you're more so saving than getting a bunch of money and then having to pay all of that back after you spent it, and you're reporting good payment history. And of course, it's a great option, and they have different options. You can do some as low as $28 a month, $38 a month, depending on how much you want to be reported as a loan on your credit report. And it's just a good option for building credit with a loan if you need to build credit using a loan. So again, I wanted to make sure you guys had some options in that regard. So basically, you really just have to pick what account you want to do and then go apply for it. And the next step that you're going to need to take is to start trying to dispute the accounts on your credit report by creating that the first letter that you're going to use, or the letters that you're going to use in the dispute. So now I'm going to show you exactly how to do that so that you can be working on your credit while the products that you choose today are going to be being reported to your credit, which can take anywhere from 30 to 60 days. You want to get started on your disputes. So I'm going to show you how to create your first letters in this next video. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. If you did get value from this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button so YouTube can show this to more people. And that'll be a great thanks to me for taking the time out, to give you guys this series and everything. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more info like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.